magazine athitangirwo gukorwo kan na kuria riu kwirikanite ati no muhaka cira ikiririo itemini ria gukorwo gitwithanio Assad kan akorirwo akihuruka mwaka muhituku na ni thutha wake gukorwo na nguraro mwiri-ini wake.
I didn't know him. I was told who he was. Yes, I did not know him. Like I said, I don't follow Rally that much.
So did you get out of your house?
Nope, I was on my balcony window.
Okay.
My balcony, porch, at the very front of my balcony.
Yes?
Yeah.
So what happened?
But by that time, when I came back, somebody had gotten a silver blanket and they covered him up and they loaded him into the vehicle.
So you didn't manage to lend them your blanket?
No, I didn't. They didn't need it at that point.
Yeah.
And then they drove off, and then that's actually now when I went and opened my door, and there was a lot of blood right on my doorstep. My cousin had actually arrived, so he came up to my apartment, and I was packing a bag because I did not want to stay there.
Okay. So before I let you pack your bags and do all that thing, so were you able to see the vehicle where this Assad was put?
Yes, it was, I believe, a black Nissan, and it was not, I think it was a black Nissan, a Caravan, a CUV, those, and it was put in the back of the car.
Haya, tugithiru na mbere ni ati bitika cia Carabao ru ni irikitio kana ni itanyitwo